Hello friends, today we are going to know about the process of excretion in human beings. First of all, it is important to know what is excretion. It is the biological process of removal of harmful nitrogenous metabolic waste from the body. Usually, unicellular organisms excrete by diffusion and multicellulars use specialized organs to perform this process. It is a very important process in human beings as well as in other organisms. Now we are going to know about the process of excretion in human beings. How does excretion takes place in the human body? First of all, it is important to understand what all parts form the excretory system. Our excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. The kidneys, they are present on either side of the backbone in our abdomen. Kidneys produce urine and urine from kidney passes through the ureters into the urinary bladder and remains stored there until it is released through the urethra. Urine is produced to filter out waste products from the blood, and nephrons are the basic structural and functional unit of kidney. Now we will see the process of excretion in detail. The cluster of thin-walled blood capillaries called glomerulus in the nephron, which is the functional unit of kidney, filters the urine, and each cluster is associated with a cup-shaped end of a tube which is known as the Bowman's capsule. Substances like glucose, amino acids, salts and a major amount of water is selectively reabsorbed from the initial filtrate as the urine flows along the tube. Reabsorption depends on the amount of excess water in the body and dissolved waste to be excreted. The urine from kidney enters the long tube which is called the ureter. Ureter connects the kidney with the urinary bladder, and urine from the kidney is passed to the urinary bladder and is stored in the bladder. When the pressure in the expanded bladder leads to the urge to urinate, the urine is passed out through urethra. In this slide, you can see the diagrammatic representation of the human excretory system or the urinary system. See how both the kidneys are located on either side of the abdomen. The ureter is situated right below the kidneys and the bladder is situated below the ureter. Urethra is located at the end, and in the corresponding picture you can see the structure of a nephron, which is the functional and structural unit of a kidney.